Hey everyone, imagine this. John, an everyday Amazon customer, just bought a brand new set of Bluetooth headphones. He's been eagerly waiting for this package, tracking its delivery every step of the way. He's all excited to try them out, but when they arrive, the sound quality is, well, awful. The headphones are defective. His excitement quickly turns into disappointment. So what does John do? He reaches out to Amazon's customer service, hoping for a quick resolution. First, he tries calling them. He's optimistic that a quick call will solve his problem. After being on hold for 20 minutes, he's still waiting, with no response. His patience is wearing thin. Frustrated, John switches to the live chat option. Surely that'll be quicker, right? He thinks this might be a more efficient way to get help. Nope. He's left waiting in the queue, and when he finally gets connected, the chat disconnects. It's like hitting a brick wall. He has to start over. The process feels endless, and his frustration grows. Now imagine how John feels. He's neglected and frustrated. He just wants his issue resolved, but feels like he's getting nowhere. He's so upset that he leaves a negative review on Amazon's website and social media. He wants to warn others about his experience. This not only impacts his perception of Amazon, but also deters potential customers who read his review. Negative reviews can spread quickly and affect a brand's reputation. So what could Amazon have done differently? Enter Genesys. This powerful tool can transform the customer service experience. With a robust contact center solution like Genesys, John's experience would have been entirely different. The system is designed to handle customer inquiries efficiently. With Genesys, customer inquiries are routed to the right agent quickly through omnichannel routing. This means no more long waits or being bounced around. Imagine John calling customer service. If agents are busy, he could request an automated callback instead of waiting on hold. This feature alone can significantly reduce frustration. And if John tries the live chat again, the experience would be seamless and efficient. The AI-powered system could handle his initial inquiry, offering troubleshooting tips or a direct replacement option. This ensures that even if human agents are busy, John's issue is addressed promptly. Plus, real-time monitoring means a supervisor can detect long wait times and step in to expedite John's request. Supervisors can intervene before issues escalate. John's issue gets resolved swiftly, reducing his frustration and enhancing his overall experience with Amazon. A happy customer is more likely to return. He's likely to leave a positive review, praising the support process. Positive reviews can attract more customers and build trust. In the end, implementing a solution like Genesys not only boosts customer satisfaction, but also strengthens Amazon's brand reputation. A strong reputation is invaluable in today's competitive market. Efficient issue resolution, reduced wait times, and multiple communication channels. These are the keys to happy customers. Thanks for watching. Remember, a great customer service experience can turn a frustrated customer into a loyal advocate. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Until next time.